Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another paper crafting video. Today I have a really festive layered paper craft for you. This is my Thanksgiving layered paper craft. How fun is that with all the different fall colors? We have that really yummy pie there in the center, the Pilgrim hat, the corn, the leaves. I just love the design so very much. This paper craft has 11 layers of cardstock, so just be prepared before you get started. But it comes together very quickly, and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any paper crafting fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. Here we are at my website, thebeardedhousewife.com. If you don't have an account on my website, you can head to the sign up button. You'll be brought to a page with all the different membership tiers. We have free, basic, and premium memberships. You can select which option is right for you. For now, I'm going to go ahead and sign in. I'll log in my credentials, and now I'm logged into my account. To access the file libraries, you can head to the Files tab here on the main navigation bar. This project is available for basic and premium memberships only, so you'll want to access the file library. And now you're brought to all the files. For this project, you're going to want to look for number 422. That is the Thanksgiving layered paper craft. Click on the image and download the file to your computer. Make sure to unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open, and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Resize the design. And you can see that our project has been brought into our canvas. Now I have sized this appropriately to fit within the cutting dimensions of a 12 by 12 cutting mat. It's a little bit shorter than 11.5 inches tall. If you're going to be using this project for a card or for a shadow box, you can definitely resize this here in the sizing options. I would just recommend that you keep the proportions locked so you don't distort the design at all. Since I want this to be a large paper craft, I'm going to leave the dimensions the way that they are, and I'm going to click Make It. And you can see the different mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using medium cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to put everything together. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Okay, so I have all of our different pieces cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble the paper craft. I know there's a lot of different colors here, so don't worry, I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer all these pieces together. There are 11 layers in total, but really quick I'll go through the different ones. So first we have the white layer, then the dark green, then green, burnt orange, orange, pink, yellow, another green, cream, dark orange, and finally a maroon color. Like I said, I do have the layering guide within the download that will help you with this. so I would refer you to that. I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video just a little bit while I put everything together, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all done. And here we have our Happy Thanksgiving layered paper craft. Isn't that so cool? How easy is this paper craft? I love the different colors and the dimension to it. It's perfect for Thanksgiving decor. I hope that you like it. If you make this paper craft, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next paper crafting video. Bye!